Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today I was told that it's the first day of spring, which should happen around 5 o'clock. Right now it's about 1/4 till, and let me be the one to say happy spring to everyone, okay? Let's get that out the way. And I got some other videos that I got planned, but I want to share this small haul with you guys today. I got some things from, well, a thing from eBay. I went to Staples this morning and picked up 2 things, and I actually got about 5 dies in this bag, so I'm going to actually have to buy more of the magnetic sheets to keep putting them on until I'm done. And one person in particular, I'm gonna have to start watching Scrap Diva 29, because every time I watch her, I end up buying at least 2 dies. I think the last time those 5 dies came from me watching her, but I'm gonna have to cut that out. But let's hop to it. Okay, one thing I purchased, I got from eBay, is this thing right here. This is the Happy Planners punch. It punches that box. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And these are just some planner pages that I actually came across online. There was a free printable. You just download it and print, and it looks just like the Happy Planner page. And actually, I kind of like this better because you don't have to get rid of those colors. You know, like the last one I had the green. I went back and whited it out, and it actually made the washi brighter. But let me cut one out for you guys. And this thing punches out very nicely, as a matter of fact. I was surprised, even for vellum. So I'm just going to punch one. Let's see if I can get it in here. I'm not paying attention. There we go. So I'm just going to punch one. See, it just punches out really nicely. And these are supposed to fit in these boxes, just like a perfect fit-ish. So, and I'm not holding it right, but there it is. So I'm going to try this sheet in my Happy Planner probably for the next month, March, April, probably for the month of April. I'm gonna try that. And if you guys want to know, if you want to know where I downloaded it from, if I remember, I'm gonna put it in the description box below, okay? And what I did was I went and bought paper. I got this paper right here, and it's not specific. It's not, what's the word, just for printing these pages right here. It's for anything else I need to print. But I did want a heavier weight paper than just a regular copy paper. So I picked this up. This is from Xerox. This is a Xerox brand. Vitality Premium Multi-Purpose Printer Paper. Like I said, it's from Xerox, and it's 24-pound weight, so hopefully that'll work. It says extra white, 97 bright. Have no clue what that means, but I'm gonna give it a shot and hope that it works out in my planner and what I needed to do. The second thing I purchased was a binder. Let me get it up off the floor. This sucker's heavy. And I haven't done a cover page for it, but this is the binder. And here are my dies that I have in here. On this side over here, you see, that's that die I told you that had the instructions on the back. So I just stuck it over there for right now. But here are my dies. And I'm not going to flip through this whole thing, but here are the We Are Memory small dies. And I actually bought 2 of these because I was going to put them in a giveaway, which I still may. But I don't know if everybody has a die cutting machine. You know what I mean? But here they are, all of the dies. Oh, here's that bigger one that's in the back there. That's the gift card holder. And it's bigger than the binder itself, but it fits nicely and it works for me. But here are those dies. Just some of them, not all of them. So, because they're sticking together. But I wanted to show you that I did get a binder. And I like this one. I saw something that said heavy duty, which I probably should have gotten one that said heavy, the one that said heavy duty. But I picked up this one because it was cuter. I changed my mind. I'm going to show you these few dies. And actually I wanted to do a project and show you guys, but I'm just gonna go ahead on and do it this way. This is from Melina Crafts, and these are just like leaves. So when I'm making flowers, if I need some green leaves, here they are. Let's go in this one. This one right here is like, what is it? The carrier for these things. The carrier for these, but it holds two. As a matter of fact, my next video is going to be how to create a single carrier without having to dye. And we're going to decorate this cup. That's going to be the next video. But this one right here will hold two of those. I may do one just so you can see it in action. I'll see. And these next three are from another AliExpress store. And let me show y'all this one first. This thing right here. This is a bag topper. I am truly gonna have to stop trying to get decent bag toppers, in my opinion, on AliExpress. Or I need to learn how to read measurements, because I'm just not sure what I can do with this little bag topper. I have no clue. I'm sure there's one of those things, those nuggets that people do at craft fairs. This might be a good topper for that, but I don't know. I might be able to do something with it. Here's another die, and this is a Christmas themed die. That's the poinsettia and all the rest of it. And I think this is going to be really, really cute for a Christmas card. And here's the third one, which is a butterfly die. And you just cut it out, fold it, and you put it over the white card, and it makes almost like an instant decoration or instant card front. Okay, so I think that is it. You know, if I got anything else, I will come back and tell you. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs, and happy first day of spring.